All right, the dogs do not know that we have a treat. You want a treat? Oh, but now they do. Here they come. All right, that's Ava. That's Daphne. We've never had these before. I actually reached out to the company and asked for them because I've heard a lot of great things and I do reviews, and so I was really curious. Here's my take before I give it to them. First of all, I'm having a hard time believing that these are that durable. I look at them. They are made of 3 ingredients: yak milk. Well, it's yak and cow milk. That's one. A little bit of lime and salt. That's it. So that's pretty good. The ingredients is a huge plus. Very high in protein. 56.7% with a moisture of 11%. So that's like way more protein than you're getting in your dog food. But will it last and will they like it? We'll try to find out, but I think they will. They are a little bit picky, but let's see. All right, come here. Come here. I got a treat. All right, there are 4 of them in here. These are the large. Sit. Sit, girls. If you want a treat, you got to sit. Good job, Ava. Sit. Okay. Stay. All right. Oh, okay. I was curious about the durability, but sit. But these actually feel super hard. Now I'm seeing what they're all about. Okay, here you go, Daphne. And Ava, here you go. You want it? Okay, get it. No, I'm going outside. Stay here. Stay inside. All right, I'm gonna watch them, and we'll see how they do and how it lasts. I'll be back. All right, it's definitely hard. And the flavor must be good because she's going at it. Ava's a little confused. It feels as hard as a bone, and they're not allowed to have bones on the inside. So she put hers by the door, but now she's figuring it out. This is all cheese, Ava. It's all good stuff. All right, go for it. She doesn't like me to watch. I have to walk away, seriously. Okay, I'm gonna sneak back over and see if Ava is eating hers. Yeah, she is. Ava, do you like it? Do you like it? And Daphne, I know you like yours. Good job. Can I have it? Can I have it forever? Can I have it forever? All right, so I think it's clear that they like the taste. And it really does feel durable. The cool thing too is when it gets really small, which I'm gonna come back and see how long it takes them to get it down to a small piece, but I heard you can put it in the microwave. Not just heard it, I read it on their packaging. You can put it in the microwave and it puffs up 3 or 4 times, and then you give it to them as like one last treat. So that's kind of cool too. So anyway, this is the Knack brand. It's made from yak milk, cow milk, lime, and salt. Super high protein. Just a really cool brand, and I've been reading about it and reading lots of reviews, and so that's why I reached out. They did send it to me, but this is the kind of thing that I will buy again because it's so stinking good for the dogs and they like it. There you go. All right, so if you're looking for a treat, a dog treat that's gonna last, pretty sure this one's gonna last, especially for this chewer. She's 100 pounds, well, 97 pounds, and she's rough on stuff, and she's not getting into this very quickly, so this is great. Fantastic for their gums and for their teeth and all that. So awesome. Thank you, Knack CHEWS. This is cool. I like it. The dogs just took a break and went outside. They have been chewing on this for 39 minutes exactly. And you can see this was our golden retriever Ava's. She was the predominant chewer on this one, although they switched about halfway. But this is the one Ava's done actually more than half. And then this one, surprisingly, is Daphne. She got a little chunk off the end, it looks like. But this is Daphne, is our 97-pound Labrador. So these are holding up incredibly well. Very shocked and pleasantly surprised. All right, and after 3 days, it's still holding together. So I would say these are absolutely sturdy and hard, and the dogs love them. Big win.